Hello all, welcome to the Engthink Channel. So in today's video, let's study how this generic electric vehicle display works. Basically, this is more useful for e-bike display, but this is only for indication, so don't have any button or any type of control that you can send for your controller of your electric vehicle or e-bike. So this is basically just to inform the speed, the distance, the battery voltage, and some other indications that I will show in this video here. Okay, so let's start power up the panel. So for do this, we have this 6 pins connector, okay, and we have this other connector here. This is for select which voltage of the battery of the electric vehicle we will use. So basically this can select between 48 until 60 volts, and this one is for make the connection with the power and other sensors, other switches that is in the electric vehicles. So to make the connection, I prepared this plug cable, okay, because this is the female to attach here. So let's connect here. Then we can individually connect wire by wire, okay. So for the power supply, we just need to connect the black wire and then the red wire, and then we have this display energized. So unfortunately, I don't have any battery of electric vehicle with 48 volts or 60. So basically, I use this USB power. This can be reached at least 30 volts. I will start with 20 because I believe that this can be work. Okay, so let's connect through this connector here. Basically, we have the red wire with positive and black wire negative, and we just need to connect here. So let's start with the black wire. Let's connect here, and then attach, and then the other, and then we have the energization of the display. So as we can see, we have the indication of the speed here in kilometers per hour. Then we have the distance here in kilometers. Then we have the power voltage that will be alternate between the distance, okay. And then we have this information of the battery. Of course, that as I'm using 20 volts, that is very less in comparison with the normal voltage of e-bike battery. So that's why we have this information of low battery here in the display. Okay, so there is other functions that we have in this display. One is the headlight. So basically, to start the information in the display, we just need to connect the wire that we want to see in the display. We just need to connect in the positive of the battery. So if we connect here, we can see the information of the headlight energized, okay, the headlight on, okay. So other wire that is for signalization is regarding turn left and turn right. So when we connect the blue wire, we can see that we have the turn left light blinking, okay, and of the same way we have the green wire that when we connect we'll have the turn right information. So now we have the both blinking, okay. So let's disconnect the turn left, and then we have only the turn right indication. So very simple. When we want to start an information in the display, we just need to connect to the power supply, okay. So, and then we have the last wire that is the yellow one. So this one basically is for information of the speed. Okay, so the speed is proportional of the input voltage input of this wire. So as we have 20 volts here, we have the equivalent of 35 kilometers per hour. So this is equivalent of 20 volts in this yellow wire. Okay, so if we adjust the voltage, I will increase the 20 volts for more. We can see that we have the increase of the kilometers per hour, the speed of electric vehicle. So when I have 22.6, we have 40 kilometers per hour. And then as well, we have the information of the voltage of the battery below here, alternating with the distance of per current of the e-bike, of electric vehicle. So for this distance here, basically what we have is the calculator of the speed and the time. So if you wait some more time, we can see that this will be increased in 1 kilometers. That is because the display is power on, and with this speed, so they will calculate regarding the time, and then they will display the distance per current. Okay, let's increase more for the maximum of this USB, that is 30 volts, and let's see how much we can have in the speed indication in this display. So as you can see, 28, so very precise. So now we already have 1 kilometer per current. Okay, let's increase a little bit more. So then we have 30 volts. So 30 volts means that we have 55 kilometers per hour in the display. Okay, so very simple. This display could be useful for indication of speed and battery, and this indication of turn left, turn right, and headlight, but there is no more functions by this generic display. Makes sense because this is the most cheapest that you can find. I purchased this one in AliExpress, so it's very interesting to have something if you want to control, if you want to know about your electric vehicle. So to fix is very simple. There is 2 models. This one come with this bracket here, so you just need to attach in your electrical device, and there is other that you can use screws. So other detail is regarding for this connector here. So this connector is regarding for the voltage of the battery of electric vehicle. So if you disconnect, we can see that you have an indication of 48 very quickly here. So means that the battery is supposed to be 48. When we connect again, we have 60. So means that the battery is supposed to be 60 volts. So if our battery is 48, they will change the speed in comparison with the digital, with the analog input of the yellow wire. So that's why we have this adjust here. Okay, probably for the level of the battery, this could be changed as per the adjust here, but unfortunately we cannot see because I don't have any power supply with 48 volts. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. This is very simple, just to inform, because I don't find any information, any manual for this display. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Thank you. See you soon.